That is what the Supreme Court said. That is the only authoritative interpretation of those provisions of the Constitution that I have just read. They are not supposed to be interpreted by that group downstairs. I had to lie down in our lounge, and I was bombarded with the whining and the moaning and the groaning of all those people who seem to think that just because there is a Constitution as a printed document, every person and his mother has a right to interpret it. That is bodacious disregard of the Constitution, which is supreme in our country. Magbasa naman tayo ng ating saligang batas bago tayo magsalita. Kung mali ba o tama ba o ano bang dapat ginawa.